Hey guys, how's it going? How to add portfolio to your site on Hostinger. So before you do anything, make sure that you log in and select your plan. If you want to buy the subscription or premium upgrade to a premium, please go to the link. Please go to the link in the description box. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna just decide on the structure of your portfolio. The portfolios usually have at least 3 key pages: projects to showcase your work, about to tell your content or to tell your background, and contact to let people access you. So you're gonna be able to, through those 3 steps, to make people know more about you. Next, customize your website. Once you've decided on your website structure, focus on perfecting the main pages of your portfolio. Presentation of your project is the core of your portfolio, depending on how much work and examples that you want to share. You may show all your work in single page, or show individual projects in dedicated pages, or show individual projects on dedicated pages, and then put all those pages in a drop down menu. Right? In the about page, the about page is your short bio to keep the information neat. You may introduce yourself by splitting it into sections. For example, add a text section and write a paragraph or two about who or what you are. Insert a section for images, gallery, and Instagram feed, and show some visuals of yourself or your work. Share an inspirational quote or list of your favorite readings, music, or destinations. And lastly, add links to your social media page profiles. And the contact page, keep the contact page short and sweet, since its purpose is only to be informative. Contact form, email address, phone number, links to your social media account. And step 3, check the website settings. Remember to update your website settings. You can add a website preview link and favicon, as well as enable a cookie banner. And the SEO or search engine organizer, update meta titles and descriptions of your page, and then add all text to your images to make your website easy to find in search engines. Lastly, publish publish your website. Once your portfolio is ready, publish it and get ready for online success. To let the world know about your portfolio, share links to your website on various social media platforms. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.